Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the median of medians algorithm that we went over on the Tuesday class, and it was because I had a hard time understanding how we derived the recurrence equation for the time complexity of this algorithm, and I thought it would be a good idea for me to, like look at the procedure code and figure out why. Okay, so let's start. So first we're going to divide the list into sublist, each of them is 5. And we're going to sort each sublist and determine the median. And that's because it's OM because the time we spend on sorting each sublist is going to be 5 log 5. And there are n divided by 5 numbers of sublists like that. So it's going to be like n log 5, which is just OM because it's like n times a constant. And then we're going to use the median of median algorithm, which is this whole algorithm to recursively determine the median of the set of all the medians. And if we write it as a code, it's going to be the name of the function, medians, and length medians divided by 2. And this medians is that is constructed by finding the median of each of these sublists, and then put it together, like and plug it back in, like plug this array back into the function. And it's all n divided by 5 because there are n divided by 5 number of sublists like that. Yeah, and then we're going to use the median found in the last step as the pivot element. And we're going to do partitioning, which means we put all the elements bigger than pivot on the right side of it and all the elements smaller than pivot on the left side of it. And that's going to be ON. And these two steps are very basic, quick sort, sorry. So, it's ON. And the last step, we're going to perform median of medians algorithm again, but depending on the position of our median, the pivot we found, and the I, which is, the i's element we're trying to look for in the array. Depending on their position, we're going to either perform medians of medians on the left side of the pivot or on the right side of the pivot. But from the way we select the pivot, which is the way we select the fake median, we know that there can't be more than 70% of the elements of the array on one side of the pivot. So the last step is going to be all 70 divided by 10 times n. Yeah, so that's how we derived our time complexity. It's going to be Tn smaller than Tn divided by 5 plus T7n divided by 10 plus On. And according to the master syndrome, we can show that this recurrence equals On. Yeah, and that's all for this week. Thank you guys for listening.